So it is 10:49 p.m. and I am here, and we're gonna try and recreate the puppet combo style PSX. Like, I'm gonna do this is hopefully a tutorial because I know how to remaster it really well. Just do this one. Yeah, that's all you need. Just pick that one and hit create. You don't need no like render pipeline or anything. We're back after like 7 minutes because I'm doing this on an external hard drive, full screen. Yeah, and you have to deal with the light screen or the light skin. Screw you. Yeah, you heard me. And look, delete that. Oh wait, no, don't delete that yet. So, first off, project settings. I'm not gonna mess with this. Linear, change. This is how you do it. You gotta change this to linear. There's no way. Like, if you don't do this, then like you're a horrible person. You have to change it to linear to get the best part of the puppets combos like style. Okay, yeah. So change that to linear. You have to do that. If you don't, then you're a horrible person. So it doesn't look like it changes much so far, but that's because we have nothing. Look. Interesting. I don't know if that looks different. I kind of hope it does. I don't think it does. It might look different. But, comparison. I'll put it up on the screen right now. Yeah, it's different, but it makes it look... Oh my gosh, I hate Unity for this. I hope... Why would you do this? This is the most useless thing ever. I can't even see what that says. Search online. Yeah, so you're gonna have to go to the stupid asset store that's not like in the Unity editor anymore, which is retarded. What is this? Oh, it's the Pride stuff. Okay, I didn't know. You're gonna want to do standard assets.
I want to see what the bottom one looks like. This is 74?
Yo, it's collecting the content. Did you know that? I didn't know that. It just totally doesn't say that it's collecting the content. What the? What is this? Cookie settings? Yeah, just do whatever that was. Hidden window doesn't look hidden to me. Oh my gosh, what the? What is this? Okay, yeah, just do that. Q tray icon message window. Yo, what is this one? Stop. Stop! I'm clicking off the taskbar! What are you doing? Stop it! I had to restart my computer, you know, because, oh, don't mind my background. My background's, yeah, that. Yeah. So, I had to restart my computer. We're, aka AVG. Let's run me some no, stop. Stop! Oh! Okay. Okay, this one. Find me viruses. I got a Discord message. I heard the sound. Oh, okay. I can import this now. Bam! Import. Yes! Oh, we love that. I haven't even started the game and I'm already like 20 minutes in the video. Hilarious. So, to the tutorial. Okay, number one, now that you have the standard assets imported, you go to here. You go to this one. So you go to that, you go to that, and then you find simple activator menu, and you delete this because this is the stupidest thing ever and it's broken. And if you need it, fix it yourself. I'm not fixing it. It's probably like a place where you can get like a fixed activator menu. You have to do like UI text instead of GUI text because GUI text is, oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so I found it. It's by Leaky Fingers. And I don't know why it took so long to find it. But it's called... So he did not take it down. This is a really nice one. You do have to give You have to give credit, but it's a legendary. It's so amazing, and it's completely free. Like, it gives you so much, like, expandability. It's amazing. So you can select how much it jitters and all that. This right here, leave a link in the description where to download this. This is the best one. But if you don't want to give credit and you want full rates to everything, then you are going to go to, just search up PSX Shader GitHub. There's 2 of them, I think. There's Dsoft and there's lots of them. But this is the most common one. This is the best one. That's just I think it's free. I don't know. You have to look up the licenses. I'm sure this one's free. I thought I saw something better, but you still have to look up the licenses. Click import and import it in. This is the one I use. This is the one I really like. This is the best one in my opinion. I don't care if you have to give credit. This is the best one. Okay, once you put that in, you're gonna need to import one more or a couple more things. You're gonna get a butt ton of errors. That's because it comes with its own post-processing effect. So you're gonna want to go to Package Manager, and so this is built straight into Unity. You don't have to do My Assets. I think you have to do Unity Registry, and you have to scroll down to post-processing. You're gonna want to hit Install. This is the newest version. Usually old. Okay, this is the actual newest version. Usually, verified ones aren't the newest ones, but this one is actually the newest one. Okay, so that actually installed pretty fast. So now that we have our post-processing installed, let's just make a basic, plane. We're gonna put fireman. Let's just drag a texture on there. And because this is Papa Combo, I know for a fact, or I don't know, but I'm like 90% sure, 90, 95, 99% sure that they actually use this character controller, because in Stay Out of the House, and Stay Out of the House, the demo, you can, the exact sounds are heard. Like, I'll turn up the desktop volume. Listen, in both. This is just the standard assets normal. Same ones in the game. So that's how I know. And so what we need to do to get the effect is you're gonna want to do post. Okay, you're gonna want to put layer, and then you're gonna want to. So once you have your layer up here, let's get rid of all this. Don't actually get rid of it. Just like close out of it and stuff. Cause you know, only losers don't close out of stuff. Okay, so you're gonna want to press that. Oh wait, no. Drag that onto this one, the actual camera. So once you're on the actual camera, press this, and then actually, okay, yeah. So once you're on the actual camera, you're gonna wanna do add layer. You're gonna wanna add both of the volume and the stuff, but post processing, or just do post pro or PPU, whatever you want. And then you're gonna wanna select that as the layer, and then you're gonna wanna do post processing volume and create a new profile. This will create a new folder in your assets. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna click is global. I think this will create a new folder, or well, who knows. So you're gonna wanna click is global. You're gonna wanna keep this all the same. You're gonna want, so this is what you need the pack for. is retro effects, because the pack comes with retro effects. And all, and then you're gonna want to go to this one. And wait, bam. Look, doesn't look different, right? It's not doing anything. Uh-oh. Am I being stupid right now? No, this is main camera, so post-processing. Huh? I did other things that you said. Oh, okay, just... What is this? Why is this here? Okay, I just break like that, I guess. So, it's having an aneurysm right now. Unity 2020 is not the most stable thing I use, and for some reason it's only acting up now when I make a video. Stop. Okay. Since we're gonna have to redo all of that because my project started freaking out. My gosh, dude. The amount of waiting I have to do. Is this how you get patience? I recommend if you're gonna start using Unity, you get a PC with at least 16 or 32 gigabytes of RAM and a good video card. Like, even though you can't get video cards right now, just get a good one. Like, good, just anything from better than what I have. Okay, we're back in the scene and nothing is loaded, which is good, so we can restart. Okay, so I had to restart everything because, yeah, everything kind of broke. So you're going to want to do a plane. We're just going to add a plane, drag it up, I guess, I don't know. Drag up, okay. You don't need to drag it up, and then you're going to want to do that, cameras, and this is the post. I'm 99% sure this is the one Papa Combo uses, because, listen, I got the desktop audio up. It's the same ones in Stay Out of the House and I think Nun Massacre. Maybe not Nun Massacre, but Stay Out of the House, the demo, and I think the not the full game. I don't know about the full game, but so far what we know about the game. Same everything. Okay, so sure, this doesn't look much like any Papa Combo game so far. That's right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna click this little drop down right here, and we're gonna select first person character, that is our camera. We're gonna put it on, you're gonna have to do add layer, and then you're gonna add the layer post processing or post pro or PP, just add it to whatever. Just make sure it's like something close to that. You can make it like hairy chest or like literally whatever you want, but you don't have to. You're gonna want to add layer. You're gonna want to select this, and you're gonna want to select that layer. You're gonna want to do also volume. You're gonna want to check is global, and then you're gonna want to make a new profile. And so this is what we need our pack for, the retro effects. Once you click this, hopefully our game does not break down. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Here we go again. Yeah, so for some reason this is breaking down my game. Never does this before. Yeah, look, it's only when you off. Okay, well, I'll figure that out later. Yeah, it's not working. So, let's do the jitter effect, I guess, until we figure out why that's doing the thing it's doing. Environment, and then you're gonna wanna drag on our texture, not that. Just drag on a random texture, or any texture that you have for the matter. And you're gonna want to go into here, shaders, and if it's like a 3D object or a plane, retro flat, I'm just gonna assume that retro flat lit is a plane. So, and if you want to do it unlit, you can get an unlit one, like retro unlit right there. And look, so it doesn't look like much right now. You can kind of see the small jitters and stuff. But once my favorite one is 993. This is what I remember from my personal. It's a little wavy, but once you get into an actual game, it's not the most noticeable thing in the entire world. Especially when you're playing a game. Oh, okay, yeah, just do that. Look, it's not gonna be as noticeable. You can turn it down, but when you're making a dark game, yeah. And as I said, we have the linear. It's on linear. So next thing is the you're gonna go to window, and you're gonna go to layout. You're gonna go to whatever, I don't know, just some random one until you find lighting. And then I'm just gonna drag this over here. You're gonna want to go to environment and fog, and then you're gonna turn this up to like density 0.02 maybe. No, not 02. 0.02. So 002. Or no, because that's not enough. 005. Yeah, and then you're gonna want to turn that to black. So it doesn't look like much now, but once you let's get rid of that. It's not working. Okay. Let's make a skybox. So okay, so it's not gonna be that noticeable yet, but create new and then material, and we're gonna call this skybox because we have our sun source set to skybox. And what you're going to want to do is we're going to go to standard, we're going to go to skybox, and we're going to go to, why is it two procedurals? I don't know. We're going to select it's just some random one. HDR exposure, I don't know what this means. Make it so it looks black, and then you put that on there. And look, now you get the nighttime sky. I lost the thing, the plane. Oh wait, no, this is the part where you get the and then spotlight. Yeah. Okay, as we can see, the spotlight is working. So cookie. The spot angle. Okay, here we go. So we got our spot angle. And then as you can see, we got like a flashlight. In most of my PS1 style horror games, the flash has like delay. Let's put this like up at the camera and put it like a little bit in front, just so we get a more like realistic view. Oh wait, no, we're supposed to make it a child of the spotlight. Then bam, child of the spotlight. And as you can see, here you are, we got our flashlight effect. You can always turn this down so it looks like this, I like to have it nice and big. You can make the range like smaller and then turn it down so you makes it like an actual kind of flashlight. Then you got your flashlight. I'm just gonna do this and then we got that, and I'm gonna make it this cookie. So we have multiple cookies. I'm gonna make them brighter one so you can see and not have that big black thing in the middle. 993, yeah, that's about right. And then hopefully we can finally figure out why the game likes to break down. So retro effects. Okay, maybe not. We're not figuring this out today. Yeah, if for some reason this usually will work, I don't know why it's breaking down now. It just is. Just not having it today. It's not liking me. So, to get around that not working, we're gonna make a render texture, okay? And this render texture is gonna be called pixel. This is what's gonna give us our pixels, and we're gonna make it point. And I like to do 128 by. So this is the height actually. Wait, no, this is the height. So 256 by 64. Will that give us widescreen? That will. Actually, no. Let's do by 128, so we can kind of get like widescreen, maybe 160. We're not okay. That looks about right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag this onto our first-person character. Cause I like to use the retro effects because it's cleaner and stuff and it works better. And it's a post-processing effect, but it's not gonna work for us today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna I think we're gonna make a camera. Okay, yeah, we're gonna make a new camera. We're gonna make this the main camera. Actually no, because it's a pixel, so it doesn't need to. And we're gonna make a canvas. So UI raw image, and we're just gonna call this pixel. And then the pixel. So I learned this all by myself in like the 2 years I've used Unity. And let's get back in there. We don't have to center this. Okay, no, first things first, scale with screen size. You have to do that, otherwise you're gonna like kill yourself. You're gonna literally blow your brains out trying to figure out why your resolution's not matching your builds. And you're gonna drag that onto the texture and look. Okay, just watch and learn. So as you can see, it's already kind of pixeled. Let's look at this. Let's get the good PS1 look. Look. Now you can kind of start seeing the PS1 style, the video, the PS, you can kind of start seeing. You can change this, so like make it 64. Oh, that's mad at me. Dang it. 64 and make it blurrier. As you can see, you can make it more pixelated, and then 64, and then make it more, and it will stretch out across that, so it should work. Cause like you choose aspect ratio, full HD. You do this one, do that one. It should scale hopefully good. Maybe I'll get that, it doesn't matter. But that's how you do that. Okay, let's turn the lights back on. Let's disable that and just get a directional light up in here. Directional light. And we can get rid of the skybox. We don't need it. Yeah. Cause what we're gonna do is just to test it out, just to give you the actual vibe. That we're in like a PS1 style. Oh, okay. Wait, let's change this back to free aspect. It's a little bit. Okay. That's the thing. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's the okay. Maybe we should make the plane like, and the camera like. Look, let's rotate this 90 degrees just so no one can see nothing. There. Now, as you can see, like, okay, so once this was gone, that was in the view. Now it's no longer in the view because this camera isn't the one that's moving. Okay, yeah. So that camera. And now what you're gonna want to do is this dude. He's legendary. Legendary guy. I'm gonna want to go to YouTube. This is not my. Click the first one.
Hello.
This dude. Yeah, Haro Games, 47 subscribers. You should subscribe to him. He makes good content. And yeah, you're gonna want to get this MP4 file. This will make your game darker, so so it'll make it look darker. So if you want to do that, maybe turn up auto exposure or something. Just download this file. My Wi-Fi is garbage right now, so glitch.mp4. I already downloaded it, so it's just this. He shows you how to set it up in the video. It's really cool.
Hello, and
But he does it in like a 2D,
welcome to this
more 2D game. I'm gonna show you how to do it with like canvas and stuff. So you're gonna want to get the video up in here. So it downloads and then go down to glitch.mp4. This is I don't know if this is how Puppet Combo does it, but you're gonna want to go glitch.mp4 because I don't know if there's a video on how Puppet Combo does all this stuff and blah 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 blah. Shut up. Okay. Actually, let's do canvas, and maybe we should like put this up a bit. And maybe make it like actually scale with the canvas. Like, okay, there we go. That's good enough. I'm too lazy. And then you're gonna want to do another raw image, but like make it so yeah, it's on top of it, and then like this. And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna do video player, and let's just drag this to wherever. Doesn't matter where it is. It's just gonna sit here. Let's just do this as 999 999 999 9. Okay. We're just gonna put that there because no one loves it, and drag the video clip in, and then we're gonna make another render texture. We're gonna call this video. This is legendary. You don't have to do the resolution or blah 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 blah. You don't have to do any of that. You have to do video player, and you're gonna drag this render texture onto it, and then you're gonna go to the canvas and drag that render texture onto it, and you'll watch and see. Look, we should set up the video player a little bit. Loop. Okay. Did I do that right? I think I did. Okay, so yeah, video. Let's hit play. Let's see what goes down. Okay, yeah. See, look. So that's gonna happen, and what you're gonna want to do is because this is not scaling correctly. I don't know why. You don't want to make that scale correctly. And as you can see, it covers stuff. So this is where I'm a little bit stumped. So what I just like to do, so this is what I say, like it gets a little bit darker, but it looks really nice. So you get this like darker gradient and stuff, but it's not really gonna affect much. It's noticeable, but like it's all worth it because look, you can see the VHS effect over it, and it looks sick. As you can see, just look, you get the whole VHS effect stuff up in here. And this is how you get the whole Puppet Combo PS1 style. You're gonna wanna like, it doesn't matter because your textures are already gonna be being scaled down a lot. Yeah, so you can make decorations and stuff, like make a whole building, blah blah blah. There's some issues with the effect, like, but it get like where like a regular plane wouldn't do this, like without the thing, but like now it works, but sometimes like it will you'll see a black line in between them. They'll like look like they're separating, but now they just want to work. I don't know why the post-processing effect was glitching out like that. It usually doesn't do that. You probably won't have that issue. I'm just having that issue now. I don't know why. Just am. But yeah. So that is how to do the puppet combo, the famous puppet combo style. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Unity recreations. I'm working on a non-massacre recreation. I don't know if that's ever going to come out. I hope so. But yeah, that's this is how you do the nice puppet combo style.